Alrighty, guys, you know, your boy got his drip going on. You heard, big drip, yeah, nigga. But yeah, your boy, right? Your boy on some grown man shit, you know. Your boy on some grown man shit. You know, ooh, hold up, wait. Alright, so, if you put your shit in here, oh, yeah. 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 Alright. Yeah. Yeah, Steve. Alright, guys, got bad news. I was told that I could not vlog in there, guys. They're trying to mess up the grind. But, you know, I got something in store. You know, it's gonna be a short vlog because, you know, I ain't had nothing to do today. I ain't got nothing too much going on, you know. So I'll think of something, you know. I'll think of something. I'll put something together and make some moves like I always do, you know.